When I tell you I cut off a lot of hair, let me show you how much hair. Oh yeah, and the photo bomber is going to be in the picture. I want to say that this was totally inspired by Brad Mondo. He came out with this like easy technique to cut your hair at home. Well, I kind of modified it because being a hairdresser, I kind of realized the way that he cut it. It was going to be very V-shaped in the back. It was going to be thin in the very base of the hair, your length. And so I was like, I'm going to modify it just a little bit. And I think the modification turned out absolutely freaking fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic. I want to say that I love him. He is a great entertainer. He is a great hairdresser. I watch all his videos. He is very, I just love him, but I did want to modify this haircut, so that you don't have to go and trim it up or blend it in or anything like that. And it just come all together with this modification. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and just roll on over that video right now. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. We're going to break the internet. Yes, we are. With his video and my video, we're going to break the internet. And you guys are never going to have to go to a hairdresser because I review a lot of box colors. And he does, he does color too because he has his own brand. But he does a lot of haircuts. So with that, recession and spending money, yep, we're going to save money because you know what? Everybody's talking about a recession, and I definitely don't want to. Oh, can't let you guys see the hair yet. I'm trying to save you guys the most amount of money and letting you guys do this. Oh, still don't want to show you it yet. The most, get more. I mean, if you can do it at home, why would you not do it at home, right? I mean, unless you want to go and spend like 2 hours in a salon. Okay, just trust me. This is going to turn out fantastic, and you are going to love it. Recession is not going to affect our pocketbook because you know what? We're going to save money by doing it at home. Let's go ahead and roll over to that video right now. Okay, we're doing it. I love Brad Mondo. I'm a hairdresser. I watch all his stuff. It's very, very entertaining. But when I saw this, I was like, I got to do it. I'm going to modify it a little bit though, because if you really look at his video, you'll notice it's very thin on the bottom. That's because when you over direct the hair forward like that or straight up, it's going to layer the hair a lot. Yes, but it's also going to make a V in the back like this. And I really don't want the V. I want to keep my ends the way that they are and the length that I have. So I'm going to modify it a little bit. So let's go ahead and just dive in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger behind my ear. So right here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I'm going to go straight up. I'm just going to go straight up like this. And then meet those fingers together. And then pull that section forward. And we're going to comb everything forward. So I put a rubber band in there and got all that other hair out of the way. You can see my line is pretty straight. Might not be exactly straight, but who cares, right? It's just hair. This is my line. Let me just look in the mirror real quick. You see it? Now the modification we're going to do is, check it out. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to make a straight, so right here. So look, here's my hairline, right? I'm going to come up to about right here behind the middle of the ear. Here's the ear. And I'm going to take all this hair, straight line, hopefully, because I cannot see. And I'm going to leave all of this base right here. Actually, you know what? That's too thin. I'm going to go up a little bit more. I'm going to go up to the top of the ear and go straight. That's better. And I'm going to pick up all this and put it in a high ponytail up here. Okay, the one thing that I noticed is that my hair actually needs a trim on the bottom. Let me turn around and show you what it looks like. And yes, I understand this is not a straight line. It looks a little bit more in a V right here. That's fine. But I'm going to ask Zumi to cut off the end right here. Just a straight line to make it a little bit more fuller. Okay, so Zumi's going to cut off about 1.5 inches. So just pull this all together. Pull it together. Comb. Oh, grab it. Okay. Comb it straight down. Okay. Comb it straight down. Not out, just down, and hold all the hair together. You're going out. Like no, down. Against my back. Like push it
like this?
Yes.
Okay.
But don't pull it out. Like put it against my back. Yes, like that. Now comb it again and do it.
Jesus, Mom.
And only about this much. Straight line across.
Move, Slippy.
You're holding it with your fingers?
Yes. Right here?
I don't know.
Move, Slippy.
Bucci, come here. Come.
It's right here.
He's always trying to get in the
video. Look
videos.
at the camera. It's right here. So right there.
Oh, no, that's way too much.
Okay.
Let me see.
That's not way too much.
I mean, I said this much.
I don't know how to do hair.
Just go straight down, comb it against my back. Okay.
All the way down? Is that how you like it right here?
Yes, you hold the hair like this. Look, you hold the hair like this between your fingers, and then you cut at the end.
Okay. Let me do it again.
And it's only like that much hair.
That's what I had it at. Okay, wait.
You're holding it tight,
yes.
And then a straight line across.
Okay, right here. Got it, right?
Yeah, okay.
Do I cut it?
I don't know, I'm trusting you.
Do you know how to do hair?
No. Dominic, you want to do it? Just comb it straight down against my back. You hold the hair like this between your fingers.
Like
and then cut off about this much, just a straight line.
Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. It's gonna kill me.
Do you guys do it?
Yeah, he's doing it.
Wait. I look at it.
No, I trust you. It's an inch. There, you guys got an inch off.
You sure?
Did you?
Maybe.
I don't know.
Is it?
Well, yeah, there's the hair. There's the proof. Does it look fuller?
I don't know hair loss, so I don't really know if it's fuller.
You gotta hold the hair all tight. Yeah.
It looks off a little bit.
Yeah.
I can show you a picture.
Hold on. Wait. I'm a master trimmer.
Hold it. Like that?
Yeah, as long as it's straight line across.
Cool. I'll go look at it in the mirror.
Okay, let me look. I will say they did a pretty good job, or he did a pretty good job, because look how much fuller. Can you see it, hopefully? How much fuller it looks. Really good, right? Okay, so let's do this. There's hair everywhere. And he did cut it off a good amount. We get all those little scraggly hairs. All right, here we go. The moment of truth. Let's do the back one first. Okay, so let's keep in mind the little details that he forgot to tell us. Is that this back piece right here, he over-directed forward. He didn't cut like this. He didn't cut back this way. He over-directed it forward. So we're going to do that. Over-directing it forward is going to give it longer layers, believe it or not. Okay, so. And look, actually, he cut it like straight across. You can actually cut it like this. With your fingers tilted forward like this. This would actually give it a little bit prettier of a, the way the layers lay down. So, we're going to take off a lot. Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay. Make sure it's recording. Can't not redo this. Here we go. You know what, guys? My hair is so thick. That's going to come out choppy. You can take your scissors. Don't get me wrong. If you have scissors, scissors will work fine. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some clippers. Oh, yeah. There we go. Just like that. Do you hear that? The clippers don't even want to cut through it because it's so much hair. So we're just going to go slow. And look at that. When you use the clippers, you get such a straight line. Okay? Now, hold on. Before you drop it. Before I drop it, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to go in and I'm just going to cut straight up. And this is hard to do with this piece of hair in my face. There we go. What I'm doing is I'm just going to soften these layers by going in and cutting into them like this. Okay, we're just going to do that for now. Leave that for now. Okay, we're good. My hair is going to be short. Okay, next section. I'm going to do the same thing. Instead of cutting straight across, guys, I'm going to angle my fingers like this forward. And we're just going to cut. Same thing, go in and just kind of soften it. Soften it, not softened. The moment of truth. Ready? And then I'm going to style it. That is beautiful. You see? But it is shorter. But look how full, right? Okay, ready to see the back? Here we go, the back. How does it look? What do you guys think? I'm gonna have to rewind this footage to see it, but let's pull it forward. Oh, that's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna style it. Oh my gosh, I'm not even done blow drying it. And can we look at this? Not even finished. Not even finished. It's still partially wet. Oh my God. I mean, I could leave it like this if I wanted. Let me finish up. So this is so beautiful. So I'm sorry, hairdressers, if we're putting you guys a little bit out of business because I review a lot of box colors at home. Mondo, he shows a lot of haircuts. Well, he does color and everything else as well because he has his own brand, but he does a lot of haircuts. So I honestly am loving this, loving. And I know it's a little bit more heavy up top, but I don't care because if I part it down the center, it's even on both sides. So I have the flexibility of wearing it like this hairstyle, or I have the flexibility of wearing it where my part is. And then when you push it back, look, it's heavy, right? But look at, you push it back and it's like it's just feathered and gorgeous. Like, I think we're going to break the internet, hopefully. I love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you could. I love you. God loves you. Love yourself. You know, if you can't go and afford a $75 haircut, because that's how much I was paying for my haircut, which it was worth every penny of it. If you can't afford that, you might as well try this because I think it turned out fantastic. Fantastic. Absolutely. 100%. Mwah. I love you. Love yourself. I will see you guys in my next video. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.